Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change server on MetaTrader 5's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change a server on MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader 5 will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, click on Manage Accounts. Click on plus icon at the top right side of the page. Now to add server, search for a broker and tap on it from the search results. On the next page, tap on Server from the drop down, choose the server, enter your login credentials and tap on Login. This is how you can change server on MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.